Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you another great new Canva feature called Ask Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and let's get started. So, I just use a template from the library, and if I just click on any item, unless the image in the back, I would like to see why. Okay, this is one. Because it's added to the background. Okay. Now we can move it to the back. Ask Canva. Do you have any questions? And just send in the prompt. And let's see what the Canva think about it. Finalizing. And we already have some idea from the Canva how we can have some better images, better design. They have some suggestions even with the text. We can ask also, and any other element we can ask what the Canva thinks. So here we have also suggest improvements, just without asking anything, just sending this to the Canva. We can also ask the Canva to create an image for us here directly from a prompt. But now I just wanted to show how the Canva interact with us like a normal AI tool telling us they said about the words overlap the woman's face, and actually this is really practical suggestions how we can do that, how we can make this design more eye-catching, more visual, better for social media. And that's a pretty nice tool to, if especially most of the people have a struggling when they just create something and just have a feeling something is not perfect, so close to the perfect, but something is wrong. But the problem is you created it and you cannot even see your own mistake, or maybe not mistake, but if you ask the Canva to what is the suggestions, what are suggestions, what we can do, what to change, even you can click on different elements, and that's really nice suggestions. And if we try to follow, you can have a better solution, better image in the end. But now this tutorial going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please don't forget to hit that small like button. Subscribe to my channel. Leave comment in the comment section, first of all, to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people. Plus, if you're struggling anything in a Canva or just have any question about Canva, please let me know in the comment section. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description of the video where you can find links for my Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook pages, where you can find another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, list in a Facebook page. And of course, in a TikTok and Instagram pages, you can find short tutorials about Canva. As I mentioned already, you can find a link in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.